Okay then, for day 7 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2024, we have a mini kit, never before seen in physical LEGO form. Every LEGO video game made after 2005 contains something called a mini kit. Mini kits are collectible items hidden over the levels in the LEGO video games. Different games have different mini kits located throughout the gameplay. For example, Indiana Jones, Batman, Jurassic Park, and of course Star Wars. In the Star Wars games there are 10 mini kits per level. These make 60 mini kits per episode. Mini kits are usually hidden in places that require having a certain character. For example, Jango Fett for shooting things, or by completing a puzzle, like this picture in Jabba's palace. Each mini kit is a piece of a miniature version of a ship that was seen somewhere in that level. Once all the mini kits are found during the level, 50 blue studs worth 50,000 points are given to the player, and the completed mini ship can be viewed outside the starting base. And this is where the name mini kit comes from. Each one is part of a kit to build a bigger reward. Pretty good, eh?